fits. It goes all the way outside to inside. I think it still needs a lot of work inside. The renovation still needs renovation.
See, I disagree completely. I think it's completely livable. I absolutely in love with the fact that this is basically furnished. But one thing I'm not as enamored about this place is the style of it.
What's happening?
There for me. I wanted the mid-century modern.
But the location's great because it is only a
Something go up by Miha.
Still,
Go pet Miha.
mid-century modern. Their agent delivers with this next place. But of course,
Yeah, best is friend.